Welcome to Mind Database. Today, let's discuss about Mathematics 1B, full syllabus, paper pattern and model paper. But before we get into the topic, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. Let's get started. Chapter 1, Locus. In this chapter, we'll learn about definition of locus, illustrations, to find the equations of locus and problems connected to it. Chapter 2, Transformation of axis. In this chapter, we'll learn about transformation of axis, rules, derivations and illustrations. Rotation of axis, derivations and illustrations. Chapter 3, The straight line. In this chapter, we'll learn about revision of fundamental results, straight line, normal form illustrations, straight line symmetric form, straight line reduction into various forms, and intersection of two straight lines, family of straight lines, that is concurrent lines, condition for concurrent lines, angle between two lines, length of perpendicular from a point to a line, distance between two parallel lines, concurrent lines, that is properties related to a triangle. Chapter 4, the pair of straight lines. In this chapter, we'll learn about equations of pair of lines passing to origin and angle between the pair of lines, condition for perpendicular and coincident lines, bisectors of angles, pair of bisectors of angles, pair of lines, second degree general equation, condition for parallel lines, that is distance between them and point of intersection of pair of lines, and homogenizing a second degree equation with a first degree equation in x and y. Chapter 5, Three-dimensional coordinates. In this chapter, we'll learn about coordinates and section formulas that are related to centroid of a triangle and tetrahedron. Chapter 6, Direction cosines and direction ratios. In this chapter, we'll learn about direction cosines and direction ratios. Chapter 7, Plane. In this chapter, we'll learn about Cartesian equation of plane and their simple illustrations. Chapter 8, Limits and continuity. In this chapter, we'll learn about intervals and neighborhoods, limits, the most important topic, standard limits, continuity. Chapter 9, Differentiation. In this chapter, we'll learn about derivative of a function, elementary properties, trigonometric, inverse trigonometric, hyperbolic, inverse hyperbolic function and their derivatives, methods of differentiation, second order derivatives, and chapter 10, applications of derivatives. In this chapter, we'll learn about errors and approximations, geometrical interpretation of a derivative, equations of tangents and normal, length of a tangent, normal, subtangent and subnormal, angle between two curves and condition for orthogonality of curves, derivative as a rate of change, Rolle's theorem and Lagrange's mean value theorem without proofs and the geometrical interpretation, increasing and decreasing functions, and finally we'll learn the concept maxima and minima. Now let's have a look at the question paper pattern. The question paper consists of three sections: Part A, Part B and Part C. Part A consists of 10 questions. You have to answer all questions and each question carries 2 marks, and the whole section comprises of 20 marks. Part B. This section consists of 7 questions and you have to answer any 5 questions and each question carries 4 marks, and this section comprises of 20 marks. 5 into 4, 20 marks. Part C. This section consists of 7 questions. You have to answer any 5 questions and each question carries 7 marks. and totally this section comprises of 35 marks. So the question paper is set to 75 marks. Part A 20 marks, Part B 20 marks and Part C 35 marks. Now let's have a look at a model paper. So don't forget to have a look at the description below. So a link is provided below in the description, and go and click that link, download the model paper and have a look at it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like and hit that bell icon.